Say goodbye to cake shrinkage.
Hello and welcome, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a common problem every baker has faced at some point: cake shrinkage. We'll look at why cakes shrink and, more importantly, how to prevent it. Stick with us and learn how to bake the perfect, well-shaped cake every time.
Why does cake shrink?
Before we jump into the solutions, let's first understand why cakes shrink. When a cake is in the oven, the heat causes the batter to rise and expand. However, once removed from the oven and as it cools, the cake naturally contracts, which can sometimes lead to shrinking. The key is to manage this contraction so it doesn't result in a visibly shrunken cake.
The right ingredients in the right proportions.
The first tip to prevent cake shrinkage is to ensure your ingredients are in the right proportions. Too much sugar or fat can weaken the cake structure, leading to shrinkage. So, always follow your recipe accurately and use the right measuring tools for precision.
Don't overmix your batter.
Overmixing your batter develops too much gluten, which can cause the cake to shrink when it cools. Instead, mix until the ingredients are just combined. Remember, it's okay if there are a few lumps in your batter.
The importance of oven temperature.
The next crucial tip is about oven temperature. Preheat your oven to the right temperature before placing your cake in it. Baking at a temperature that's too high can cause the cake to rise quickly and then collapse, leading to shrinkage. So, always follow the recommended temperature in your recipe.
Don't peak too early.
Resist the temptation to open the oven door too early. This can cause a rapid drop in temperature, leading the cake to shrink. Wait until your cake is almost done before you open the oven door to check it.
Let it cool.
Finally, let your cake cool in the oven for a while after turning off the heat. A sudden change in temperature can cause shrinkage. Cooling gradually helps maintain the structure of your cake. There you have it, bakers. These tips should help you prevent your cakes from shrinking after baking. Remember, baking is both an art and a science, so don't be disheartened if your cake doesn't come out perfect the first time. Practice and patience are key. We hope these tips will guide you towards baking a perfectly shaped cake. Happy baking!